Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Marketing Management. This is module number 2, video number 4. In previous class, we have seen the various types of digital marketing. Today, we shall begin with some of the advantages of digital marketing. Though digital marketing has gained a lot of importance in today's scenario, and there are n number of advantages to the customer, to the purchaser or the seller, or even to the companies. So it has so many advantages. Out of those advantages, few advantages we shall discuss in today's class. The first point of advantage of digital marketing is utmost convenience guaranteed. Internet marketing allows, or digital marketing allows, the business to be open 24 into 7 without any worries about stores opening hours or say overtime pay to staff. When you offer your products online, it becomes immensely convenient for customers too. It would be like they would be free to browse through your online stores whenever they feel free and place order whenever it is really convenient for them to do so. Especially in today's scenario, because of COVID pandemic and lockdown rules by the government, it has many restrictions for physical marketing and other things. But here, digital marketing has utmost convenience guaranteed to the companies as well as the customers, because it can be done 24 into 7 and there are no restrictions for such. So it becomes utmost convenience to both customer as well as to the companies or management. Then next second point is greater reach assured. Here internet marketing assures much greater reach and accessibility. Now it is much easier to overcome barriers of distance, and you could now sell products across the country without really having to set up local stores or outlets. Previously, how it used to happen, if you want to sell your products in say Maharashtra, so then there your outlet or shop at the convenient places in Maharashtra you should open. So again that cost was involved. But in digital marketing, you can reach throughout the country without making a setup at that place, but through marketing, online marketing or digital marketing, you can say reach those places. The next, the digital marketing helps to widen your target market also. You can now think of opening even an export business without opening distributors network in different countries across the globe. But however, if you wish to pursue selling internationally, you need to use localization services for ensure that all your products are just preferred for local markets and comply with local business standards and regulations. Then the localization services would be including product modification and say translation for reflecting local market variances and say the consistencies. If your contact reliable of goods, then you would learn more in detail about the say international marketing or other things. So here the reach is assured throughout the globe without much restrictions, provided you have those standards which can be exportable. Then third point of advantage is cost effectiveness is a salient feature or advantage here. It is a fact that marketing your products online would be less expensive than marketing them via any physical retail outlets. Here, you would not have to worry about the recurring property, say property rental costs and maintenance expenses, say most importantly. You don't need to buy stocks for displaying in a store. You could be ordering stock in line as per demand. Thus, here digital marketing makes you keeping your inventories expenses low. So, all the costs involved in marketing will be less compared to the traditional marketing. So, this is the third advantage of digital marketing, that is cost effectiveness in our marketing activities. Then, fourth point is personalization made possible here. Because of internet or digital marketing, you could now go about personalizing offers to your customers. Simplify by creating a profile of their preferences and purchase history. Suppose a customer is purchasing some products frequently, so those kind of profiles we can identify, and we can say make a personalized offers to such customers, and simplify tracking the product information and the various web pages visited by the say customers. Now you can say be successful in marketing target offers reflecting their internets by tracking their web visits. You could say gain a lot of information relevant for planning effective or cross selling campaigning for increase the customers, or the sales value can be increased. So here it becomes very easy for personalized or personalization of the customers and reaching their requirements and supplying those products as per their requirements with offers and other things for specific or specialized profiles who are purchasing frequently or visiting such kind of digital marketing website frequently. Such customers we can identify and act accordingly. So it becomes very easy for personalization. The next advantage is building robust relationships. The digital marketing effectively provides a key platform for building bonds and say cementing relationships with your customers, and say it increases customer relation levels. When a customer makes a purchase, you would send a follow up email or a message confirming the transaction and thanking the customer by emailing or say messaging WhatsApp or other means. And even say regular visiting customers can be tracked out, and the celebration wishes we can send Deepavali, Dashara, Eid, Christmas, all such kind of celebrating functions we can say send wishes. So it boosts in relationship between the customer and the companies, and also it makes easy for say tracking their transactions and say special personalized offers or a special celebration offer, or say a festival offer can be given for such special customers, and the relationship or bonding can go on increasing. Say this maintaining relationship in physical way in traditional marketing was very difficult, but here the digital marketing would say consider inviting the customers, review of the customers, then special offers to the customers. All these kind of things can be managed or handled in the digital marketing. So today we have seen 5 advantages of digital marketing. There are few more advantages of digital marketing which we would be discussing, but we shall discuss in tomorrow's class. If you have any doubts, questions or queries, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. Thank you. Good day.